Today's 2-minute tech tip is on voice typing in Google Docs. Now this is one that I've shown you before, but I'm pretty sure it bears repeating. It's a very quick and easy way for your students to get their information down in Google Docs, especially for those students who struggle with typing for whatever reason. In Google Docs, under the Tools tab, you have voice typing. And so when you click on that, the microphone button comes up, and you can choose different languages if you like, but if you want to just click on English, once it's there, it will start recording what you speak. If you'd like to use some punctuation, you have to say period, or you have to say question mark. So as you're typing, it will keep going. Enter. If you say the word enter, it will return to the next line. And if you say question mark, period, exclamation point, it will put those into your text. Students at any point can stop recording by clicking the microphone, and then they can go back in and change as needed and straighten up their information. Very quick and easy way for students to get some information down to help students to be more productive. And if they need to then put this information into something else that doesn't include the voice typing, they can just copy it from Google Docs and go over to the other tab and paste it in. It does work with our Chromebooks because they do have that webcam built in, so that should work for them as well. You don't need to have a separate microphone for students to use. I hope you find this useful. I hope your students do too. Let me know if you have any questions or need any help with it.